Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name Titus Bobab, and today I will be giving you guys a tour of my empty New York City luxury apartment, 2-bed, 2-bath, 1121 square feet. With that being said, let's get right into the apartment tour. All right guys, welcome in, let's go. When you walk into the apartment, you got a nice little view coming directly from the living room. Okay, if you turn around, you're gonna have just a little walk-in space, probably leave your shoes type of space over there. Okay, and then on the left, on my right, you're gonna have the first closet, which is, I think will be the coat closet. I can fit in there. Pretty spacious, very nice, very effective, right? I love it. Clean, simple. And then on the left, you're also gonna have the wash and dryer machine. This is the wash and dryer machine. I love this area. This is gonna be my favorite place because, you know what I'm saying, I can just, just come, get my laundry done, probably watching a movie or just eating something, chilling, right? So that's the wash and dryer side of the apartment. And then also we have a nice little walk-in. When you turn this around, you're gonna have the living room. Okay, when you start walking to the living room, on the left of the living room, everything is on the floor to ceiling. I love it. It's very plain, very simple, a nice little view. I'm talking about a lot of natural sunlight. That's my, that's my type of light. Natural sunlight. Tons of natural sunlight in this apartment. I love it. I don't even know how I'm going to decorate this living room, but hey, we're going to see how it's going to turn out. A lot of space. Like I said, it's 1121 square feet. Nice view of the city. I'm loving it, man. I love the apartment. God is good, man. I ain't going to lie to you, Check this out. Nice little view also, right? That's the living room, and then we'll go into the kitchen. So now, the kitchen, very nice. No, everything is pretty brand new. Okay, this is the kitchen. Everything is pretty brand new. We start with the refrigerator. This is the refrigerator. The refrigerator, I love the refrigerator. Have a lot of space. Okay, have a lot of space, a lot of in space. Pretty big. Okay, and we have the fridge on the bottom where you're gonna put all this chicken. You know what I'm saying? Someone's got to cook. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get busy. You know what I'm saying? Then on the top we have another cabinet, more cabinet. So now we also have the microwave. Okay, I love the microwave. Pretty unique, very simple, to use and everything like that. I love it. And then we also come to the oven, pretty high end. I love it. Very plain, very simple. Okay, that's the oven right there. You know what I'm saying? Again, these are just some basic stuff, some basic kitchen stuff, you know what I'm saying? And then we come to the dishwasher. Shoot! It's a dishwasher, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. Look at the inside, man. The inside look pretty nice, pretty nice. Pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm not going to even use this, man. Most of the time I just wash my own dishes. But hey, I'm going to be a little fancy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's the kitchen, man, Pretty nice, pretty unique. I love it. A lot of, high tech. Yes, sir. Just a little slow motion of the whole kitchen, right? So this is how the whole kitchen look like. All right, okay. Very nice. A little dining room table space over there. Maybe a little dining room table space over there. So that's the, kitchen, you know what I mean? Very simple. I love it. Plain and simple. Guys, thank you for watching the first section of this video. Before we get into the next section, I will ask that you please smash the like button on this apartment tour. It's going to really help the video out. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's going to help the channel out, and I would really do appreciate that. So with that being said, let's get right into the next section. All right, guys, so now in the next section is the 2-bedroom, right? Okay, so now over here you have this little nice mini hallway. Okay, come over. This is going to be the master bedroom, but I'm not going to show that yet. I want to show you guys the view going into the kitchen. All right, so view, walk through this mini hallway. On the right, you're going to see the living room. Okay, tons of natural lights, and then you're going to have the kitchen over here, right? So then when you're walking into this mini hallway, on the left is the first bedroom. Okay, let's open up this door. When you come into the bedroom, boom! Again, a lot of natural lights over here. I love it. Pretty simple, man, but yet very effective. I love it. And they also have the closet over there. That's where we just came from. So it's pretty simple. I love it. A lot of natural lights in this apartment. Pretty simple, but yet very effective. Kind of like my favorite wall. And then if you look at the walk-in closet, right? A lot of space. Again, I think I can fit in this in this closet, right? Look at this, very nice. Everything is pretty brand new. I can smell the newness. I don't know if that's a wall, but yeah. But check this out. Yes, so this is the first room, man. It's pretty simple, nothing crazy. I love it. This is gonna be probably make this my office, but I'm not too sure. But yes, this is the first room. A lot of view. Now, when you come from the first room, right across the first room, we have the bathroom. This is the bathroom for the first room. Okay, you can call it the guest bathroom, but I love it. Very nice little bathroom, a lot of space, right? I love this bathroom, man. Tons of space in this bathroom. I know I can even do some b-ball dance, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so this is the bathroom, very nice. We got a very nice mirror, take some selfie, all right? You have this little cabinet over here, a little toilet, you know what I'm saying? Man, nothing crazy, man, just everything's pretty brand new. I love it, okay? So that's the bathroom. The bathroom, see, when you walk out of the bathroom, you go straight into the first room, or you go into the living room, and now you can go into the master bedroom. All right, guys, so now let me take you to the master bedroom. So when you enter the master bedroom, what you're gonna see is this, floor to ceiling, a lot of natural lights in the master bedroom. This is gonna be my bedroom. I really love this place. Like I said, it's pretty brand new. A lot of space, man, nothing crazy, bro. Just a lot of nice space, you know what I'm saying? Very big, spacious. This is the the view from my bedroom. Pretty nice view. I'm gonna try to do like a nice version of this apartment. Maybe at a time, everything's gonna be a little bit furnished and stuff like that, right? So when you walk in closet, my Lord. Oh, what happened to the light? We have the walk-in closet. Look at this beauty. It's very big, very spacious, a lot of space. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be a lot of shopping. I have a lot of excuses to go shopping. Probably gonna put my shoes over here, you know what I'm saying? Pretty nice, man, pretty nice. This is the light. Look at this view from all the way over here. Look at that, that's so nice. Pretty simple, yet again, very effective. That's my favorite saying. A lot of space, like I say, I can do some big bass in this room, you know what I'm saying? So this is pretty nice, man, pretty nice, okay? And then my favorite part of this bedroom, bro, I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's the bathroom. The bathroom is my favorite part of this whole apartment. This is my bathroom, all right? Very, very nice. I love this place, man. I'm telling you, selfie's gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying? This is the bathroom. I love it. Look at this baby. Brand new. Yeah. Look at that. That's so nice. This is my bathroom, bro. Very nice. Everything is brand new. You know what I'm saying? These are the, Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Behind this mirror, it's a little cabinet. You can put toothbrush and all the fancy stuff. Right. This is my bathroom, man. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. All right. Like I said, it's a very nice, a lot of space, tons of space, man. Tons of space. I love it. I love it. I love it. Simple, very effective. Everything is brand new. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. Listen, guys. So that's about it for the apartment talk, man. I want to say thank you guys for watching my video, please make sure you smash the like on this video. It's going to really help the video out. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's going to help my channel out. I will really do appreciate that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at AYRoyalFaith. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.